Alright, so I went to the local AutoZone because my engine light was on and read out that I needed to change my canister purge valve. And so he gave me these codes right here, and I bought this little piece right here. Basically pop this off, and I really wasn't sure how easy that was gonna be, but it was really easy just to pop off. So hopefully it pops on just as easy. And so basically your one on the vehicle on a 2011 GMC Denali Sierra, it's gonna be right here under these two little wires. This is a pretty dirty truck. It's gonna be right here. This pops off. There's another little piece back here, right here. This and then this all pop off, so it's 3, and then one in the back, 4 pop offs. It's really hard to get to right now because this truck's kind of high off the ground. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and so hopefully it'll be easy. So it probably took about 30 minutes tops. I had some issues getting the piece that attaches to this off. I lost the clip, had to dig for it. This end was easy to get off. This part was a booger for a second, but there's a clip that's on the inside of here, a metal clip you just push that way with a flathead. This end that was a booger, you got a little clip, and I'll try to show you whenever I put it on. And it fell way down on my engine, I had to find it. So here's the new one, here's the old one. And so you got this piece, and you got these two pieces back here. They attach, and then right here it attaches. There's a piece that you have to push forward, and it's housed just right there. So I'll go ahead and put this back. But yeah, so it's really basic. You got 3 plug-in wires, 3 things that plug in, and then this sits in there. So I'm gonna probably put this in first because it's the new one, and I'll just plug and play. I might put this piece first. But you'll see right here on the other side of this, I don't know if you can see, there's like a little lever that pushes back and forth. And here's the piece that I lost. I hope it's still good. Lost this booger way down in there. So my goal is not to lose that when I put it back. Alright, so that's about it. That's how you put one of them things in. Alright, so real quick, we finished up the purge valve solenoid replacement on a 2011 GMC. And so it's just this little guy right here. It's a booger to get off. This thing sucks. You got a little clip underneath. This piece back here, I don't know if you can see, back here, it's got a white clip. You better make sure you keep up with that white clip. The third clip right there on the left is easy. It holds in place right here. There's a little clip in the back that you push forward towards the left, and it comes right off. This shit right here is all in the way, whatever. But yeah, that's it. That's how you replace that. It's pretty easy. You also have to pop this off of your engine cover. It's very easy to pop off. Hopefully it's just as easy to pop on. We'll see.